Okay, so you might have seen hundreds of earbuds floating around on Amazon and Flipkart, but they have one serious problem with them. They are all fucking same and boring. So I found this 5 earbuds which could be game changers in the wireless audio space. That is, if they ever get mainstream. What's up friends, this is me Suket. Welcome back to my channel for an audio inclined video. I use the Apple AirPods 2. But I've tried several of these earbuds available in the market and the Apple AirPods were amongst the best from them. Basically the thing is I love headphones, earphones and lately earbuds. And so I keep on trying out new devices. But this time around I wanted to find some unconventional earbuds that you would normally not get in the retail market. Because the ones that you get in the retail market are almost all similar design, similar sounding audio, similar features. Basically, they are all boring. So I found some interesting earbuds on crowdfunding platform Indiegogo and one other place. Let's check them out. The first one is something I'm pretty sure all of you might have heard about a lot in the past couple of days. It's from a tech company called Nothing, which is the brainchild of Carl Pei, the one who founded OnePlus and then quit around last year to start a new tech company. Well, this is that company and their first product is called Ear One. Nothing revealed the Ear One a couple of days back and it will be available on Flipkart from 17th of August 2021. The first thing that you notice about Nothing's Ear One is that everything about the Ear One is transparent. It has a transparent case and even the earbuds are transparent. Very minimalistic in design. These black and white earbuds weigh in at 4.7 grams each and have 11.6 mm speaker drivers and 3 microphones. For features, it has active noise cancellation and transparency mode. The battery life is claimed at 34 hours by recharging them in the case with ANC off. You can control the play, pause, back, forward and volume through the touch controls on the stem. And the app lets you control many more features. It is IPX4 splashproof certified and works on both iOS and Android. The price of Nothing's Ear One would be something around 5,999 rupees. Okay, so I found the next one on the crowdfunding platform Indiegogo. They are the Neobuds Pro by Edifier. I have used Edifier speakers before. In fact, I still use those speakers and I love every bit about them. They have really good build quality, awesome design, and the best part is that the audio that they produce is near studio quality. You can check out my review about my Edifier speakers I'll put the link in the I button above. You can go and have a look at that video. But this said, I can be assured that the audio coming out of the Neobuds Pro will also be really good. The Neobuds Pro look very different from your standard earbuds. They have rectangular earbud stems which make touch controls even better to use. The Neobuds use their custom designed dynamic drivers that give you noise cancellation up to 42 decibels. The Neobuds Pro have 3 microphones per bud to give you crystal clear voice while on calls. It also supports high-res audio. And the best part is they give you 7 different sized ear tips with each Neobuds Pro. You can check out more details and pricing about the Neobuds Pro on their Indiegogo page. I'll leave a link in the description below. Now there is one very interesting earbud that I will be talking about. So don't forget to watch the video till the end. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. It keeps me motivated to make more such interesting content. So let's get ahead with the video. Okay, so the next one is Olive Pro. I again found them on Indiegogo. I think you might have seen ads about the Olive Pro on Facebook. And if you have not, let me give you a brief about them. They are one of the costliest earbuds in my list that I've compiled here. Mainly because these are 2-in-1 devices. Apart from it being a wireless earbud, it also works as hearing aids. Design-wise, the Olive Pro looks very different from the rest. It has a more stylish look to it. It reduces the background ambient noise and gives you crystal clear human voice up to 99.8%. It gives you a battery life of about 7 hours on each charge and 20 hours with the case. It is also IPX4 water resistant. With the app available on both Android and iOS, you can customize the way you want to listen to the audio coming out of the Olive Pro. For more details and pricing about the Olive Pro, check out their Indiegogo page, link in the description. Okay, moving on to the next one. I found these again on Indiegogo. These are known as Between Pro. Yes, that is the real name, Between Pro. These are the most uniquely designed earbuds that I have come across. The design of these earbuds is such that they have rectangular stems which converge into the circular tips that go into your ears. Developed by Status Audio, this minimalistic earbuds give you an audiophile sound experience, or that is what the company is claiming. The Between Pros come with triple drivers in each earpiece, two of which are balanced armature drivers and one 10mm dynamic driver along with 4 microphones with ambient noise reduction. It runs on the Qualcomm QCC3040 Bluetooth 5.2 chipset. The Between Pros give you 12 hours of continuous playback through each earbud and a total of 36 hours with the charging case. I find these to be the best earbuds based on the specifications. To check out more details and pricing about the Between Pro, go check out their Indiegogo page, link in the description. Okay, the next one again from Indiegogo is a very unique pair of earbuds. They are from a company called Mevo and they are known as Mevo Fox. First of all, they are not your typical in-ear style earbuds like most of them. These have a very conventional earbud design, which I personally like very much as my claustrophobia starts acting up if I wear the in-ear style ones for too long. The design is very similar to the Apple AirPods 1 and 2, and if not for the black color, you could easily pass it for the Apple AirPod. This has a very unique selling point though. You can use it like you would use any other earbud, but you attach this magnetic sports band to it and voila, they get converted to wireless earphones. And this magnetic sport band also has a unique feature to it. It has a battery of its own, meaning you can charge this earbuds just by connecting the magnetic sports band to it. Apart from having a battery in the sports band, these also have a charging case. But there is a problem here again. The sports band does not have a place for itself in the charging case. You would have to store the sports band separately, and also you would have to charge the sports band separately through a USB-C. But the good thing is that along with the sports band and the case, you get a total battery life of 52 hours. That is if you use one earbud at a time. Now there aren't much details about the drivers and the acoustics that are used in the Mevo Fox. But still, if you want to check out details and the pricing about the Mevo Fox, you can check out their Indiegogo page. I'll leave a link in the description. So friends, this is it. This was the last earbud in my unconventional earbuds list. Do let me know which one you found to be the most interesting, and if you know of any other unconventional earbud that you think should have been a part of this list, I would love to hear from you. If you found the video interesting, like it, share it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified about my new videos. See you all in the next video. This is me Suket signing off.